All right, everybody, for those that are new to this channel, my name is Sylvia, and I have been traveling by trike for over 12 years. I've been on 6 continents in over 20 countries, and in fact, I've ridden over 50,000 miles. And this channel has a lot of tips, reviews, tutorials, but mostly it follows the continuing adventures of Myrtle the Turtle, the name of my tricycle, as we go around the world very, very slowly. And thanks to everybody for subscribing and following along. Today I left the very small town of San Pedro, and it was a very authentic experience. And authentic experiences are where things are not necessarily comfortable, but it's, you know what, it's very like a cultural experience. I've got, like, I don't know, maybe it's 35 miles today, which doesn't seem like a lot, but there's a lot of ups and downs, and this road is just awful. It's terrible chip seal. It's the kind of chip seal that just grabs your tires, and oh my gosh, it just slows me down so much. Yesterday I actually stopped to see if I had a flat tire because, like, I just couldn't move. And the vibration, like everything on my trike is vibrating. I even had to stop yesterday and tighten up my fenders because they were coming loose. And I'm sure it's going to be super hot again. But other than that, it'll be a very nice day for a trike ride.
Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
All right, so I'm leaving little San Pedro, and it really is a little town. And I stayed at a funky hotel. It was like unfinished. Look at this guy. Got a bunch of bougainvillea branches. Got a little bit of grass. You don't have a very long leash, do you? All right, let's get on the right side of the road. Let's go down. Let's see if I can hold the camera.
Decirle que yo la quiero, porque si no el desespero le partiré el alma. Y yo también me muero, y yo también me muero, y yo también me muero.
Oh my gosh, everybody just gets such a kick out of the trike. And you know, here I am in a country I've never been before, in a place I've never been before, and everything is super interesting. But for everybody here, I'm the most interesting thing on the road. Wow, I've been climbing this hill for a long time now. I thought this would be the top, but seems like I got a little ways to go still. Ah, but look at this! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm getting smooth pavement. Ah! Wow! Oh, wow! Smooth pavement. Oh my God, this is fantastic. Oh, what a difference. Oh, wow. Oh, I hope it continues. Oh, that road was so hard.
quiero, porque si no el desespero le partiré el alma. Y yo también me muero, y yo también me muero, y yo también me muero. ¡Oh!
Que el viento es alegre, trae buenas noticias. Porque se siente el nordeste, sopla, sopla brisa.
A flor de labios refleja el amor, su corazón viene cantando, no hay duda que nos amamos.
Tú bien sabes, morenita,
Now they're burning something out here.
eres mi adoración.
Tu mano fue bien leída, ya no habrá más despedida. La gitana lo leyó, gitana.
¿Es enfermo?
No, la llevamos para.
Almorzar. ¿Sí?
Se la llevamos al esposo que tiene por allá.
Ah. Hasta luego.
Loco Serge, en Barranquilla, prepárate.
Oh my gosh. Like all of a sudden it feels like there's a little storm happening. Like I'm actually feeling some rain. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like there's more wind. The temperature's really dropped. Oh, I'm just loving this. I wish it would rain. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Oh wow. This is just fantastic. Hey guys, what's going on? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at you go, huh? I think this is the first time on this trip that it's been raining while I've been riding. Like I've been in Colombia for probably 5 months. I mean, that's a pretty good odds.
Cambio las espinas por hermosas flores.
Le falta mortificación y este dolor me está matando.
Okay, so the cycle path ended like right as I got to Sincelejo. That was a really nice bike path. I mean, I think it went probably 8 miles, maybe more. You know, and it was separated from the highway. Oh, so nice. So now I'm in Sincelejo, big city here, and I'm gonna find a hotel. Everybody, so I've made it. I'm in Sincelejo, and today I'm in a really big hotel, and there's a parking lot. And so here's Myrtle. Got her locked to a banister, and I used my usual technique of going on Google. I'm going to take the elevator up. Fancy hotel that has an elevator, and there were a lot of hotels like downtown. Oh, there it goes. And I was reading the reviews, and they were all like rated really well. But then I saw the reviews, and they all said, "Oh, you know what? Great service. Maybe it has good food, comfortable room, but there's bars, and the music is really loud all night long." I thought, "Oh my God, I just don't want to do that." And so I kept looking, and I found a hotel that had just a ton of reviews. It was rated pretty well. This is the Arawak Hotel, and had like almost 500 reviews, which is like huge. And I thought, you know what? That hotel is gonna have great value. So here I am. Let me show you my room. It's kind of small, but it's very comfortable. And see how I can open this door. And so, and then it has a little balcony. So I'm probably about maybe a kilometer out of downtown. And I'll probably end up taking a bus to go check out the town. I love taking buses. So, and here is the bathroom. Of course, it's already a big mess. Whoops. So I've got my clothes. I cleaned them when I showered and they're drying. And I have a shower head and a toilet seat. And this hotel is $30 a night. So I'm spending big tonight. So you guys, there you go. Welcome to Sincelejo and thanks for watching.